Do you really think those children died just because of a bad combination in the cough syrup? Wrong. The truth is far more worse. Cough syrup are usually made with glycerin, a sweet safe chemical that makes the syrup smooth and easy to swallow. It is then mixed with sugar syrup and the medicine to make the final product. But to make more profit, some companies replace glycerin with diethylene glycol, a cheap industrial chemical that looked and tastes exactly like glycerin but was never meant for human use. And when the kids consume this contaminated syrup, it infects their kidney and in many cases it causes death. So who should we blame? The doctor who prescribed it or the government that allowed this poison to reach our children?